Hi, it's Cindy, and I'm sitting here about to have my lunch, and I thought I'd read a few of the programs that we have coming up this summer so you can plan and look at our calendar and make sure you add these to your calendar. So starting in June, we have story times with the CALM firefighters. We have the Woods Hole Oceanographic Institute doing a talk. We have Heather Freehart doing a talk on 10 essentials for healthy living. And her husband, the fabulous artist that you see painting around the village, is going to be doing a summer drawing workshop. We have the paddleboard sale coming up. The Harbor Hawks, who are the baseball team, will be doing a story time. Manomet Conservation Sciences is going to have an exhibit upstairs in the main meeting for 3 months, and they're going to be doing a talk and exhibit. We have the Hydrangea Fest. We have 5 magnificent houses available for you to view, and that's between July 10th and 13th. Then we're very thrilled to be hosting CALM's Centennial Celebration. That's the Centerville, Osterville, Marston's Mills Fire Department, and they will be out here on the library lawn, the Calvin C. Gould Library lawn, and you can enjoy all the activities and information they will have. One of my favorite things, Salt the Whale, the 45-foot whale you can go inside, will be back. The Master Gardeners will be doing fairy gardens. There's going to be an author talk with Sarah Osborne. She's very well known. The Cape Cod Symphony, demos and duos. Everyone's always favorite, the Rogers and Marnie build we don't know what we're going to build this year, but I'm sure it's going to be fun. Then there's the road race. We have some really interesting music things coming up, like the Shara percussion performance, which is going to be really interesting. We also have the Bach performance by Arts Empowering Life. We have the Amazing Animal Ambassadors coming back because that was such a hit. We're doing Red Cross Children's Story Time with hands-on CPR instructional. Our board president, Anthony Samaco, is going to be doing a talk on the Revere Beach Wonderland. And one of the things I'm really excited about that we're in the works on is Boston Med Flight, which you always hear that people are getting airlifted out of here. They just did a program here and they brought their land vehicle, but now they're coming, hopefully, with a helicopter. So that's going to be like off the charts. So we're really excited about that in August. Then wrapping up the season, we have the Gregorian Chants with the Arts Empowering Life. And then some lucky person is going to drive away with either the Audi or the Jeep on August 22nd. Now, that's just a few of the things. There's actually pages of things happening. And don't forget about the concerts. And we really hope to see you around here this summer. There's so much going on. So thanks for being a part of our summer.